Hey, welcome to the Premium Guy, and today we're going to go over a trade that I made on ChargePoint Holdings. If we haven't met yet, my name is Mike, and I'm just a regular dude who likes to take his money and try to make more money with it. I usually do that by selling options, buying dividend stocks, and holding on to long-term stocks that I really believe in. First, I'd like to talk to you a little bit about goals and why I like to set them. I think it's important that we all set goals in life and in trading. I love setting goals because I feel like it gives you something to look forward to, something to strive for, something to work harder for, and eventually something to celebrate. I like to break my goals down into two categories. One being the short-term goal, which gives you that closer, instant satisfaction. And then second, you want to set a long-term goal and make it something that you think is actually out of reach. That way, when you achieve this goal, it gives you that much more satisfaction. So let's go ahead and go over my short-term and long-term goals. My short-term goal is to collect $500 each month in premiums off of a $10,000 trading account. My long-term goal is actually to make about $2,000 each month in collecting options premiums. This will allow me to purchase a Tesla, insurance, and continue to grow my account size each month. I'm also really big into pre-planning, so in the event that things don't go as I would like them to, I want to be able to have a larger account size so that I can subsidize that Tesla payment. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them down in the comment section below. I really feel like we can all grow and learn from each other. Earlier in the video, I mentioned that selling options was going to be one of my main strategies to growing my portfolio. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of those. I sold a put on ChargePoint Holdings Incorporated, symbol CHPT. ChargePoint is an American electric vehicle infrastructure company based in Campbell, California. And ChargePoint operates the largest online network of independently owned EV charging stations operating in 14 countries and makes the technology used in it. In March of 2021, the United States passed the milestone of 100,000 public chargers throughout the nation, and President Biden has a vision to increase that number to 500,000 public charging stations. With this in mind, I've really been watching over ChargePoint's stock, and I'm hoping to capitalize on it. Earlier this week, I noticed that ChargePoint had been trending down from its most recent high of $27, and I wanted to take advantage of that. So I went ahead and sold a cash secured put. So on Monday morning, May 3rd, I sold the 23.50 strike expiring Friday, May 7th for 55 cents. And since all options contracts are grouped in packs of 100, I received $55 back to my Robinhood account, which I can pull out to spend, or I can continue to leave in there to make trades in the future. I get to keep this $55 premium in my account regardless if this contract expires worthless or if it expires in the money and I get assigned. But stick around to see what actually happens at the end of the week. ChargePoint continued to trend down for the rest of the week, going below my 23.50 strike. However, the thing that I love most about this strategy is that as long as the stock stays within the range that you were expecting it to, you don't have to worry about it dropping below your strike price as long as it doesn't go too far below it. And in my case, it did close within the range that I was expecting it to. So Monday morning, I should be able to turn around and sell a cash covered call against these shares while still making money. On Friday, May 7th, I was assigned 100 shares of ChargePoint at $23.50 per share, therefore taking my $2,350 from my account, but in return giving me 100 shares of ChargePoint, which I'm extremely happy to have. So this week coming up, I'll just go ahead and sell a covered call against those shares. If you like the content and information in this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And if you'd like to see how I turn this trade around and earn more premiums from it, go ahead and hit the subscribe button with the notification bell on. Leave any comments you have down below, and I hope we can grow together.